In my last video, we explored what really happens when you fall asleep and why REM is so important for lucid dreaming. Now that you know when dreaming happens, you can use that knowledge to actually get lucid. One of the simplest and most effective methods is called Wake Back to Bed, or WBTB. It works by waking up at just the right moment in the night, then going back to sleep with a plan. I'm Kyle, and this is Discover Lucidity. If you're ready to try a lucid dreaming method that works with your sleep cycle, let's dive in. WBTB is short for Wake Back to Bed, and the idea is simple. You wake up after a few hours of sleep, stay awake for a short time, then go back to bed. And this increases your chances of having a lucid dream. Why? Because your REM stages, where most vivid dreaming happens, get longer as the night goes on. Waking during the night allows you to re-enter sleep during those longer REM windows, which boost your odds of becoming lucid. To quickly recap from the last video, sleep isn't just one long block. It moves in roughly 90-minute cycles, rotating through different stages. REM sleep, where most vivid dreams occur, start off short, maybe just 4 to 10 minutes, but later in the night, your REM periods can stretch to 30 to 45 minutes or more. That's exactly what WBTB takes advantage of. The most common approach is to wake up after about 4.5 to 6 hours of sleep. That's when you're most likely to get hit with one of those longer REM phases. When your alarm goes off, take a minute to jot down any dreams you remember, even fragments. This strengthens dream recall and helps set your intention. Then stay awake for 10 to 30 minutes. You want to wake your mind up just enough. Read about lucid dreaming, meditate, or watch something that keeps you focused on the goal. After that, head back to sleep, ideally carrying the intention to become lucid as you re-enter REM. Your body is primed for dreaming, and your mind is alert enough to notice it. While the 6th mark is a good baseline, it's not your only option. You can also try Wake Back to Bed after waking up naturally during the night, especially if it feels like you woke near the end of a non-REM stage when REM is just about to start. It's also possible to wake during REM and re-enter it, but you might be at the end of your REM phase, so it's something to be mindful of. Either way, the key is timing your return to sleep so that you're entering REM with more awareness. Some tips for making Wake Back to Bed more effective. Wake Back to Bed can be powerful, but it's not one size fits all. Some people find 6 hours works great. Others do better with 4.5 or even 7 hours. Try experimenting. Vary your wake-up times, adjust how long you stay awake, and keep track of what works and what doesn't in your dream journal. You can also pair Wake Back to Bed with other techniques, for example, mentally repeating a phrase like, "Next time I'm dreaming, I'll realize I'm dreaming," or visualizing yourself becoming lucid. That's the mild technique, which I'll cover in a future video. Important caution. That said, don't overdo it. Wake Back to Bed involves interrupting your sleep, which can work great occasionally, but if you do it every night, it may lead to grogginess or poor sleep quality. I recommend keeping it to no more than 1 to 2 times per week. That way you give yourself opportunities to get lucid without burning out or messing up your overall sleep patterns. So to sum up, Wake Back to Bed is all about hacking your sleep for lucid dreaming. By waking up briefly during the night and returning to sleep with intention, you increase your chances of becoming aware during REM, where lucid dreaming happens. If you want to understand why timing matters, check out my last video on science of sleep. It'll give you the full picture about how sleep cycles work. And stay tuned, I'll be covering topics like mild in an upcoming video, which can take your lucid dreaming practice even further. If you've tried Wake Back to Bed or plan to, let me know how it goes in the comments. Love to hear what works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.